my phone in this like waterproof thing, so it's kind of weird. So I'm about to turn it around so y'all can see what we're doing. You don't have to just look at me. Here we go. Now, there's Sissy. Wave, wave, Daddy. Hannah, wave. Can y'all hear me? Isaiah, wave. Isaiah. We're about to go up the thing. Ooh, we're in a raft. That's why I have my phone in this waterproof thing, because we're going in a raft. Can y'all hear me? Can you hear me? Tell me if you can hear me. La la la. There's the people in front of us. Here we go. We're going. I'm so excited. Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh, I'm backwards. I'm backwards, so here's me again. Look. Ooh, here. How's that? There. Whoa. Going up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Y'all see the little thing? Okay. We're wet. We're wet. It was fun, but we're wet. Hold on, I'm gonna let you see the rest of the group. Hey. Oh, Hannah just got wet. Look, there's Daddy. Daddy! Wave, Donzel. Oh, we're about to go now.
I got wet.
Oh, my feet are wet. My feet are wet.
My butt's wet.
I didn't want my feet to get wet. Here we go. Woo! Uh-oh, here comes some rapids. Hannah got it. Hannah got it. She's gonna look like she peed her pants the rest of the day. Hey, Sissy. Wave, say hi. Oh no. No. Oh. Look, here's a waterfall. The waterfall. No. There's a waterfall behind me. Oh, it's about to drop. Sissy, here you go. Woo! Woo! That one went so bad. We didn't get wet. Like Hannah did. Oh, that one got Isaiah. I have a feeling I'm going to have raccoon eyes with my mascara after this one. How was that, Zay?
I want to get wet.
Wow. Go some more water. Oh, Sissy's wet. Sissy's wet. Sissy. Wave, Sissy. Wave, Hannah. Wave, Daddy. Wave, Isaiah.
Oh, Sissy's gonna get it.
Uh-oh, Sissy's about to get it. As long as it doesn't turn to me. No! I got it! I got it! No, I'm soaked. I've got a waterproof camera case, and it's tied to my neck, so my camera's not going anywhere. But my shoes are soaked. My butt is soaked. Oh, here comes, oh, more water. Here's more water. Here's more water. The mist. We probably should have saved the wet ride for last, but we didn't, so we'll probably go sit. Oh, look what they did. It's a waterfall. There's no avoiding getting wet now. There's no avoiding. Oh, it's off. It's off. It's off. It's off. Oh, look there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, here comes another waterfall. Is this one gonna get me? Is this one gonna get me? Whoa. Uh-oh. Who's getting it? Who's gonna get it? Me! No! It's me! Here's a waterfall. Oh! That's awesome. That is awesome, Isaiah. There is no stopping it. We should have. We can take a bath. Here's the waterfall again. Isaiah, how is he's soaked. He's hating life right now. He's kind of hating it. Yeah. Bye, y'all. Hope you fun.